Today I'm back with something I'm trying for the very first time. Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Experience the taste of a Kenyan kitchen with this chicken feet stew. In Kenya, chicken feet are not a widespread mainstream delicacy. However, economic shifts and street food culture have made them increasingly popular in urban areas like Nairobi. If you'd like to know how it all turned out, stick around to the end of this video. I already cleaned the chicken, cut the nails off and prepped the ingredients. I left a single foot to show you how it looked before. You can use a knife and chopping board or a pair of scissors to cut them as I'm doing here. I discard this and move on to the next step. I heat some oil and add the onions. Once they start browning, I add crushed garlic, stir for about 30 seconds or until fragrant before adding the tomatoes. I add the spices and a little water and keep stirring until the tomatoes have softened. All these are listed in the description box, so be sure to check them out. Once the tomatoes have broken down, add the chicken feet, beef seasoning cubes and black pepper to taste. Then stir everything well until everything is well combined. At this point, add the capsicum and water. Bring it to a boil on high heat and let it simmer on low for an hour or until the chicken feet are well cooked. During this time, add more water as needed. Once the chicken feet are cooked and the sauce has simmered down into this thick gelatinous goodness, adjust salt to taste if needed. I didn't add any salt because it was perfectly seasoned to my taste. You can also add more water if you'd like to. The stew was so delicious, but the texture was a bit different and might need time to get used to. If you enjoyed this recipe, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, engage in the comments section, share and tap the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next one.